In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, over 100,000 children have been orphaned during the last 33 years. As Father's Day is being celebrated worldwide, today, thousands of fathers in occupied territory have lost their sons at the hands of brutal Indian troops. Meanwhile, in an Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, women are the worst victims of Indian forces' barbarities as India is using rape as a weapon of war to suppress the Kashmiris' struggle for right to self-determination. An analytical report released by Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict, on Sunday, revealed that Indian forces personnel had sexually assaulted over 11,255 women during the last 3 decades in the occupied territory. It said India is deliberately targeting women in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to humiliate and terrorize the Kashmiris.